Hello viewer, welcome to my YouTube channel Software Testing. After posting couple of video, I get a lot of questions regarding software testing, but one of most common question was how much salary software tester can get. So basically it depends on totally software testing position and experience. So I will give you some little overview about the software tester salary so you will get the clear idea about that. So there are different type of software testing like manual testing, automation testing and performance testing too. So software tester salary depends on software testing type, like manual testing get one type of salary, then automation tester can get another type of salary, then also performance testing can get another type of salary. But in an average, software testing can get 80,000 to 150,000 yearly salary in US job market. You can verify those information. There are many job portal like Dice, Monster, Indeed, ZipRecruiter and other job portal too. If you search with the software testing position like manual tester, automation tester or performance tester, you will get some idea from there. So totally based on project, based on experience and based on software testing type, you can get the salary, but range is like that 80 to 150k. So I believe within this discussion you get the idea about how much salary software tester can get, and this will be helpful those who wants to start as a career software tester. It will be helpful for themselves. If you think this is helpful, please like my video, subscribe my channel and share it to others. Thank you for watching this video.